Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and set up Windows Hello facial recognition. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For the first step, go to search and type in settings. Click on it, and once it opens, select system. Scroll down and click on optional features. Search for facial recognition. If it does not appear, click on View Features, type in facial recognition, and it should show up here. Install it if it's not already installed. Once that's done, for the second step, go back to search and type in services. Open it, click on any service one time, and then press W on your keyboard. Scroll down until you find Windows Biometric Services. Double-click on it. Make sure the service's status is set to stopped. If it's running, click stop and then hit OK. Now for the next step, search for File Explorer and open it. On the left hand side, click this PC. Look for the drive where Windows is installed. It will have a Windows logo on it. Double-click on this drive, then open the Windows folder. Scroll down and open the System32 folder. Inside, find the folder named WinBio Database. Open this folder and delete everything inside. Once the folder is empty, return to Services, locate Windows Biometric Services, double-click on it and click Start to set the service status running. Click OK to save changes. Finally, restart your computer and the issue should be resolved. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.